Hey guys, welcome back to Maths Cube. Today we are attempting the sixth question from the International Advanced Level Pure Mathematics P2. So without further ado, let's get started. The sixth question and the A part states that show that the equation 3 sine theta cos theta upon 2 sine theta minus 1 is equal to 5 tan theta, where sine theta is not equal to half, can be written in the form of 3 sine cube theta plus 10 square theta minus 8 sine theta is equal to 0. So the first things first, what you have to do is write down the formula, and I'll tell you what changes you have to make next. Now after writing the formula, you can see guys, something is unusual here. If you look at the form that can be written in the end form here as the answer, 3 sine cube theta plus 10 sine square theta minus 8 sine theta, where sine theta is very prominent and we have to eliminate cos theta from here, but something unusual is the tan theta. So to change tan theta into in terms of sine theta and cos theta, it can be written as. So guys, studying trigonometric function, always remember the identity tan theta is equal to sine theta upon cos theta. And now what you have to do is, the next step will be to eliminate the denominator or the fraction form. So to do that, what we'll do is, what most people or most students do is they make mistakes here by using LCM of 2 sine theta minus 1 or whatever is in the denominator. So what you have to do is, or what you can do is, cross multiply like this. There you go. Multiply 5 sine theta by 2 sine theta minus 1 and 3 sine theta cos theta by cos theta. So there'll be 3 sine theta cos square theta is equal to 5 sine theta into 2 sine theta minus 1. Now that the fraction form has been over, what I'll do is I'll just expand the bracket, and that'll give me 10 sine square theta minus 5 sine theta. And if you can see, our equation has to be written in the form of 3 sine cube theta. There you go, the highlighted part. We can see sine theta everywhere, so we have to eliminate cos theta from the other side or the left hand side of the equation. So to do that, what I'll do is I'll use identities. So this is the very first or the very basic identity you can use while solving the trigonometric question. So sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now to replace cos square theta by sine theta, like equally, now what we'll do is we'll make cos theta, here you go, the subject. So that'll become, there you go, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Now what I'll do is, the next step will be to just substitute back here and eliminate all the cos square theta and make sine theta prominent here. There you go, you can see that our final equation is taking the form of the equation that we have to write it as 3 sine cube theta. So what I'll do is, the next step will be to expand the bracket, and to do that, what we'll do is we'll multiply 3 sine theta by 1 and by 3 sine square theta, which will eventually make it the cube. There you go, 3 sine theta minus 3 sine cube theta. Now to arrange this into 3 sine cube theta, making it positive, what we'll do is we'll take all this stuff to the other side of the equation, and 3 sine theta will become negative, and negative 3 sine theta minus 5 sine theta will become minus 8 sine theta, and the negative minus 3 sine cube theta will become the positive. And there you go, that'll be our answer. We will be possibly be able to show that the equation can be written in that form. And that's our A part done. 4 marks easily scored down the track. And now moving on to the B part, where the question is, hence solve for the domain has been given, which is minus pi upon 4 is less than x is less than pi upon 4. And they ask us that 3 sine 2x cos 2x upon 2 sine 2x minus 1 is equal to 5 tan 2x. Giving your answers to 3 decimal places where appropriate. So we have to solve for the x possible values, you can say. We can also see that the same equation was given right here. There you go, and we could have solved it to give 3 sine cube theta plus 10 square theta minus 8 sine theta is equal to 0. We'll use that equation, but the one and foremost thing here is that the x is the double angle. So double angle is being used here everywhere, so we have to take that into consideration. We can eventually see that our equation 3 sine cube theta plus 10 square 10 sine square theta minus 8 sine theta is equal to 0. And when it is set to 0. To find the x values, what we'll do is, or what I'll do is, I'll just bring my calculator up, press the mode setting, go into the table function, and press the fourth one for the cubic one, that's ax cube. Just remember that, and put my values or plug in the values in. That's 3 sine cube theta plus 10 sine square theta. Remember the signs, you can say minus 8. There you go. And the last value is 0. So my first x value is 2 upon 3, the second is minus 4, and the third is 0. So what I'll do is, I'll set them to sine 2x because we have the double angle here. First we'll solve sine 2x is equal to 2 upon 3. Next we'll be solving sine 2x is equal to minus 4. So the reason I'm not using sine 2x is equal to 0 is because that's of no use. Sine 2x equal to 0 will give us no solution. So yep, we are having two domain solutions now. So sine 2x is equal to 0. What you can do is, you can set 2x, there you go, I'll just draw it. You can set 2x is equal to x for now, and just solve it like sine x equal to 2 upon 3. So to find the x value, what I'll do is, I'll make x the subject and multiply both sides by sine inverse, so it will cancel out sine from the left hand side and will give me sine inverse of 2 upon 3. There you go, plug in the values into your calculator, that's sine inverse and 2 upon 3. And one more thing guys, one thing to remember here is that look at the domain, that's pi minus 4 and pi upon 4. So the domain is being mentioned or being used into the radian form. So what you can do is, change your calculator into the radian form by pressing shift, press the mode button and press 4, that's radian, and there you go, that's r. Previously we were into the comp or the normal degree form, so now we have been into the radian form, and we can press the equal sign to get our answer, which is 0.729727656. If you guys remember that I took 2x is equal to x, now I can replace x by 2x, and my 2x is equal to this value. So to find x, what I'll do is, I'll divide both sides by 2 to get x my value, and that'll become answer divided by 2, and that is 0.3648. so you can also write it to 3 decimal place as 0.365, or it is up to you. Now coming back to the second x value, which was sine 2x is equal to minus 4. So taking sine inverse of minus 4 will give me nothing, I guess. Yes, it will give me math error, or you can say 0, or you can say x is equal to, there you go, x is equal to 0, and those are my x values. So that's 4 marks also. So 4 and 4, 4 plus 4 will give me 8. So that's 8 marks easily scored from the trig function questions. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more videos from this series.